Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a YouTube channel, easy method. Create a Google account or reuse one, then go to YouTube and click Create a Channel to begin. Choose a clear channel name and profile image that reflects your content. Add a concise channel description with keywords and upload a channel banner sized correctly. Plan your first 3 videos, set simple goals, and start recording with natural energy and consistent scheduling. Find a niche that matches your passion and audience, not just trends. Research keywords and competitor channels to spot gaps you can fill. Decide on video length and style so viewers know what to expect. Create a simple content calendar with realistic upload frequency and batch record when possible. Invest in clear audio and decent lighting rather than expensive cameras to start. Engage with viewers by asking questions and replying to comments. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps us keep making easy tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during long editing sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. They prevent blisters during on-camera takes and keep you comfortable through long edits and uploads. I use them while scripting and editing. Now let's get back to the video. Plan a short script or outline that states the problem, solution, and call to action. Film with steady framing, clear audio, and simple edits that keep pacing tight. Add captions and a custom thumbnail that reads well at small sizes. Include an intro hook in the first 10 seconds and always ask viewers to like or subscribe. Upload with a keyword-rich title, description, and tags, then share across social platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.